Ready to ditch the generic and showcase your creative genius online, but stuck deciding between Adobe Portfolio and WordPress? Let's settle the score. First up, Adobe Portfolio. Think simplicity. It's incredibly user-friendly with its drag-and-drop interface. Great if you want a beautiful, streamlined site up super fast. Plus, it's included with your Adobe Creative Cloud subscription. A huge perk is its seamless integration with Behance. Effortlessly import your projects and keep your portfolio fresh with your latest work. Limited customization options, but what you see is pretty much what you get. Now, let's talk WordPress. Prepare for power. You've got unlimited design flexibility with thousands of themes and plugins to choose from. Want a blog, an online store? WordPress can handle it all. The sky's the limit, but there is a learning curve. Think of WordPress as a blank canvas. You control every single pixel. Be aware that this control requires more technical knowledge or hiring a developer. You'll also need to factor in the cost of a domain name and hosting. So, which one reigns supreme? If ease of use and speed are your priority and you already use Adobe Creative Cloud, Portfolio is a no-brainer. But if you crave total creative control and aren't afraid of a little tech, WordPress is your powerhouse platform. Make sure to like and subscribe for more creative platform comparisons. Now go forth and build your amazing online portfolio.